Hi, this is Ray. This video I hope will help you assemble my new, what I call pop-down out cards. I have one with an oval, I have one with a square cutout, and one with a round cutout, but the assembly is basically the same. So here I have all the pieces. I have the card, this little piece that's got three scores on it so it folds, this piece, and the oval that cut out of the card. So we're going to start with this piece, and you're going to take one end of it, and when I glued it, I left a little bit up here because it'll stick above the oval. So you want to just center it on here. Just did that. Center it on the card. I got carried away. And just butt it up against the fold. Make sure the card folds right. It does. So there's that one. Then you take the other end that's sticking up, and this one, you don't want to go all the way to the top, so I just go down the side, across here. And then just lay the card down and lay the card on it. And now you have your pop-up mechanism. Then you take this piece, and when you fold it, you see that one end is longer, so we're going to glue the back end of that, the back side of that longer end. And then open your card and just center it in here and butt it up against the cutout. And you'll see that this piece extends out a little bit further than this. So now you're going to put glue on this one. And take your shape that you cut out and just place it back in. It also helps because they don't always cut out exactly the same, so kind of keep them laid out. There you go. And you just put it back in there like that. And then when you open it, I got glue stuck on it, that's why it's stuck. And when you open it, then that makes it pop out. Close it back up. And now you're ready to decorate it. There's a little frame piece for each shape card that comes with it. I hope this helps. If not, get in touch with me through the website you purchased the file from. Bye for now.